Alright class, so today we are going to learn about some addition problems and how to make patterns with them. So first we're going to start out, here you can open all these books. And as I tell you this story, I want you to model it with the books. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to start the story now. I have one book, and now I'm going to get one more book. How many books do I have in all now? Does someone want to answer that? 2. Good job. Okay. So if I add another book to the 2 books that I already have, how many books do I have now?
What'd you say? Yeah, what?
You have 2 books, and now you're going to add one more book. So how many books do you have now, Craig?
3.
Good job. Okay, so now we're going to add 2 more books to that. Kelsey, how many books do we have now? 5. Great job. Okay, so now we're going to add one more book. Craig, can you tell us how many books we have now?
6.
Great job! Okay, Kelsey, we're going to add 2 more books. All right, can you count those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 books, awesome. Okay, and now we're going to add our 2 last books. And how many do we have now, Craig?
Do you want me to count them?
Yes, you can count them if you'd like.
If you don't know the problem.
It's 10,
Good job.
but I could count.
You can count them. Oh my gosh. Kindergarten fights. Okay.
Keep poking me.
All right, so now we're going to move on. So I'm going to give you your worksheet. You guys can pick up your books and put them back in your baggies. Oh, and I need to grab you guys pencils really quick. So can you guys write your names at the top of the paper, please? Great job, you guys. Okay, so can you place your finger on the fish? Do you guys see the fish in the top corner of the page? Okay, so I'm going to read you the instructions. So we are going to count the birds on the branch, and then we're going to draw one more bird. So the bird that you see in there, you guys get to color in each time when we go through this together. And then we're going to write in the number after we count the birds. So let's do the first one together. How many birds are on the branch right now?
2.
1.
Oh, the top
We're
one?
with the first
Oh,
one, yeah.
1.
Good job. Okay. So we're going to trace one more bird, so you guys can grab a color if you'd like. And you can color in that bird. Whatever color you like. Good coloring. I like your guys' color choices. Alright, and then you see the 2, we're going to trace the 2.
With
You
our
can use your
pencils?
pencil or your colored pencil, whatever one you'd like. Good job. Okay, so now I'm going to have you, I'm just going to observe as you guys complete the rest of it. And if you need to, you guys can count the birds to see what the total number will be, but you just write it in, okay? If you need help, I'm here.
Do we color all of the birds?
Yes, you can color all the birds. And there's a second page too. But before you move on to the second page, just wait at the last problem, okay? all your birds
Same
related?
bird.
It's a family of birds.
Oh.
Yeah. It's actually the same bird.
Okay.
How is it the same bird if it is
Keeps-
on the page?
Keeps hopping down. Is
It's
that
on the page before.
their photos?
My birds are all friends.
All right, so now that we've completed the first page, I want you to look at this, look at your numbers. How is this addition pattern like counting?
Because you're adding one each time.
Exactly right, Craig. Good job.
Yes.
Okay, so if you turn it over, on the next page, you guys have some more problems to complete. And we're just gonna use the same directions I used on the last one. So just color in the bird and add them all together.
Do you want us to trace 6?
You can if you'd like to.
That's what we did on the first page.
Sometimes directions are different.
She said the same directions.
You guys are writing your numbers so good today. And coloring your birds so good too.
Yellow bird.
Okay, we're gonna put on one more minute for this assignment and then we have one more. Great job, Craig. Okay. So now we can turn these in. And so your assessment for the unit is going to be, you guys are going to draw me a picture of whatever you would like. And when you're finished drawing the picture, I'd like you to label how many objects you have in the picture, okay? So you're gonna count up all your objects and write the total number, okay? So draw whatever you'd like to draw.
I said, oh, she was good.
We can combine the pictures. Unless I draw my own stuff.
That would just be weird.
Alright, now whatever you have done, I want you to add up right now and then write it in the top corner of the paper, how many objects you have in your picture.
The top right,
Yeah, you can do the top right, that's fine.
or top left, I think.
Can be either.
I'm showing my work.
Okay, now you guys are gonna trade pictures and draw one more object on each other's pictures and then write how many there are after you draw the object. Great job, Kelsey.
Cloud.
Just right here.
Oh my gosh.
Wonderful job. So I hope you guys learned something about addition today.